We have a proof.
Venom, you used to know who I am. Mr. Muckle. Bro, rifle! Fucking exactly why I killed you ago. Because you over there fucking saying that you're gonna fucking kill me. That right
Rifle King.
why I
Yo.
killed, that right there is why I killed him. Y'all best him.
Rifle King, sir. Wait.
Venom fires his eyes.
Rifle King, you have to. Rifle King. Please, weapon out. Go to the concrete.
Venom, can you hear me? Do you remember? Do you remember? Do you remember a Miss Mocha Venom? A Miss Mocha. That's what my name used to be. Mexico lot place where you saw.
Sir, Rifle King.
Yeah,
Anyone,
fire.
any moderators? All the moderators.
Don't kill her, sir. Mr. Ricky. Why you kill him? Mr. Ricky, we just stage him.
Okay. It is though. Call. This is my third RP13 catching someone.
Can I get a car?
Okay, stop. Don't VDM. Don't stop.
Bro, I'm not stopping, bro, because I'm gonna exit this fucking army anyway, bro. Fuck off, bro. Bro,
Me the video. They can
don't
catch
tell
me in
me
the
shit,
morning.
bro.
Knowing
Don't
that
tell me
I
shit.
only get 3 hours of sleep before I have to go to work.
Hey,